Guys, welcome back. Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. And I have a final on the Avro Landcaster and my P40, Curtis P40 Warhawk. So, let's get right to it then. So I guess we'll do the biggest and then do the little one. So this is the Avro Lancaster made by Matchbox. And this is how it came out. Very cool plane. I mean, it has its unique looks too. I mean, cabin, you have a bottom gunner on the bottom there, which I lost the machine guns for that. 4 propellers, 4 engines. Has machine guns on the back. Should have been 4 back there, but one got knocked off in the back. Got one in the middle there. Then you got the canopy with the 1 seat and like half a floor in it. And for the bottom, got the landing gear, and everything's in black on the bottom. It's very unique. I do not know the actual age of this kit, but the decals surprisingly did work. And I second time trying a camouflage paint job, which to my surprise it actually came out good. The clear coating kind of gave it a little rustic look, and a little stress marks on the wings and stuff, but it looks unique. And this is what I did for um, the ugly plane kit group, ugly plane kit or ugly model kit that group build that Max's Models is putting on for March. This is my entry into it. And let me show you the little guy now. Alright, guys. So here's my little P40. Curtis P40. Half decals work, half decals didn't. Most important part, I got the little shark face on it with the eye. And the number 7 with the army star on there. I got one more of these to build, so it's going to be fun to do. And came out very good. I mean, I did it paint-wise, I did all in one day. One mistake I made was I glued the stuff together and tried to put decals on the same day, which don't do that, guys. Let your stuff dry before you put the decals on. And here's the bottom of it right here. Got one bound. And no, I didn't. Since it's landed, I did not put the pilot in it. So I'm starting to get a collection of pilots. And that's what I got for you for Friday night. And let me put them together there, and you'll see the giant and the little guy right there. So hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to put a little slideshow of both planes in the video. And thanks for watching, whoever's watching these videos. And thank you, subscribers, for watching my shorts. So you all have a good night. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, too.